Folks in New England have so many different ways to make fish and seafood, and I love so many of them. Today I'll show you how to make New England-style fish cakes. And I'll start by pulsing 4 slices of white bread in a food processor to make freshly made breadcrumbs. And now I'll dump those into a bowl. And then I'm going to pulse some celery and also add that to the bowl. Now I'll puree about 1¼ pounds of cod, or you can use almost any kind of white fish. And I will dump that into the bowl as well, along with some chopped green onion and 1 large egg and some ground thyme. And then I'll mix it all together. Now form the mixture into 4 cakes about 1/2 inch thick, and then heat some oil in a skillet and then fry them until they turn golden brown on the bottom. That should take about 4 minutes. Now turn the cakes carefully, flip them over, and cook until the second side is nicely browned. Now serve your fish cake with tartar sauce. I've doctored my tartar sauce that I bought in a jar with some sliced green onions and some drained capers. It's just delicious. And I'll send you the recipe if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, and I'll see you next time.